Good day everyone! Mabuhay!
In today's session,
We will be demonstrating to you the bird dog.
and dead bug.
But before that, we will perform our warm-up first. Off we go!
Warming up prepares the body for physical activity by increasing heart rate, blood flow, and muscle temperature, which enhances performance, improves flexibility, and significantly reduces the risk of injury.
Bird dog.
Bird dog variations enhance core strength, spinal stability, balance, and coordination by systematically engaging the abs, glutes, and lower back muscles.
The bird dog crunch. The bird dog crunch is a dynamic exercise that targets the core, glutes, and back. Begin on all fours with hands under shoulder and knees under hips. Extend your right arms forward and left leg back. Then bring your elbow and knees toward each other, crunching the core. Return to the starting position and repeat opposite sides. This exercise enhances stability and engage multiple muscle groups for a comprehensive workout.
Bridge pose. Start by laying on your back, knees bent, and lift your hips to create a straight line from shoulders to knees, engaging your glutes. Move to an all fours position and extend your right arm forward and leg back, maintaining a straight line. This combination strengthens the core, glutes, and back while improving balance and coordination.
Dead bug.
Dead bug variations enhance core stability, coordination, and posture, preventing low back pain and promoting daily movement by reinforcing a stable trunk during limb movements. Palms against the wall. Stand facing a wall and place your palms against it at shoulder height. Arms extended. Step back slightly, keeping your body straight and your core engaged. Lift your right knee toward your chest while pressing your palms into the wall. Maintain balance for a moment. Feeling your core activate, lower your right leg back to the starting position. Repeat with your left knee and hold. Leg raises. Lie in your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right leg toward the floor while keeping your left arm extended overhead. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat and hold for a moment. Raise your right leg and return to the starting position and then repeat with your left leg and right arm. Cool downs are vital after exercise for allowing your heart rate and blood pressure to gradually return to normal, which prevents dizziness or fainting.